Can a beginner really match a professional at waxing? Today, we're putting speed, technique, and control head to head. 3 things will decide this challenge: preparation, application, and removal. And by the end, you'll see exactly what separates experience from guesswork. First, preparation. The professional has everything organized before starting. The beginner, meanwhile, is still checking the instructions and arranging the supplies. Now comes the technique test. Watch the difference in pressure, direction, and consistency. The professional keeps the application controlled and even, while the beginner struggles with consistency. And now comes the moment everyone is waiting for. The professional commits to the movement. The beginner hesitates, and that hesitation can affect the result. One small mistake can quickly turn a clean process into a sticky one. Too much product, poor positioning, or hesitation can make cleanup harder. But the biggest difference isn't speed, it's control. The professional prepares carefully, works deliberately, and finishes with appropriate aftercare. Now let's put the results side by side. The professional achieves a more consistent finish, while the beginner has more uneven areas to improve. So, who wins? Experience takes this round, but the beginner can improve by learning where technique matters most. And now we're back where we started. Same challenge, same 2 sides, but now you know exactly what separated them. Pro or beginner, which technique would you try?